What's up, everyone? So today's been a super busy day. Been working on the C10, been working on the Lexus, been working on a lot of stuff today, and other people's cars too. So right now we're just gonna do a quick video of me washing the Ford. It's really dirty. I'm gonna get the pressure washer out. I'm gonna get a bunch of junk off it, make it a little more presentable. Yeah, we'll see what happens. See my C10. It's in pieces. Got the frame outside, so it's gonna be a fun project. We'll get to it. Well, we did it. It's all shiny and clean. It's all shiny and clean. That wheel is still a little dirty. Better than it was. Ain't perfect, but it's a whole lot better. Got all that junk out of the bed too. Ooh, this wheel turned out so good. I was worried about that one. That one was pretty dirty. So there you have it. Nice, shiny and clean.